Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. In our last session, we have discussed the bits as well as the hard words of the lesson. Why did Seema fall? Children, today we'll discuss the remaining bits of the lesson. Okay? Now, play with words. In play with words, bit D, write the opposites of these words. Use words from the box. Here, the question is given and the options are given in the box. You have to choose the correct option and write in the blank. And you have to write the opposites of the words. So, first one is done for us, children. Look at the screen. First one, above. The opposite of above is below. Above, below. And the second one is dirty. Children, guess the answer. What is the opposite of dirty? It's clean. Write clean in the blank. Read the spelling. C-L-E-A-N. Clean. Now next third one, children. Laugh. Laugh. The opposite of laugh is, check in the box. What is it? It's cry. Opposite of laugh is cry. Laugh, cry. C-R-Y, cry. Next, fourth one, children. Over. The opposite of over is under. Over, under. U-N-D-E-R. Under. Now once we'll read the opposites, children. First one, above. Opposite is below. Second one, dirty. Opposite is clean. Third one, laugh. Opposite, cry. And fourth one, over. Opposite is under. Above, below. Dirty, clean. Laugh, cry. Over, under. Okay? These are the four opposite words. Now next, bit E, children. Here. The word blackboard is made from the two words black and board. Look at the example and make new words. Choose words from the cloud. So here in the cloud, four words are given. And here the example is given, children. Blackboard. So in the word blackboard, we have two words. One word is black, the other one is board. So when these two words are combined and formed a new word, that is blackboard. Black and board forms blackboard. Now in the same way, you have to add two words and make one new word from them. Okay? The first one is done for us. Look at the screen, children. First one, book plus shelf equal to what, children? Bookshelf. Book plus shelf equal to bookshelf. In the same way, you have to pick the words from the cloud here and form the new word. So pick the suitable word here and write in the first blank and write the word, combine both the words and write a new word in the next blank. Okay, children? Okay. Now second one, bed plus. Here the four words in the cloud are paper, shelf, cover, lace. So already shelf is completed. Okay, shelf. The word shelf has written here in the first blank. Now once see the remaining three words, children. Paper, cover, lace. So what is the suitable word for bed here? It's cover. So write cover here in the first blank. Cover. C-O-V-E-R. Cover. So bed plus cover equal to what, children? Bed cover. Children, what is the color of Seema's bed cover? It's blue color, isn't it? Blue color. Now next third one, children, news plus. So this is first one and this is second one. Now how many words are left here? 2 words are left. They are paper and lace. So what is the word here? What we have to write in the blank? It's paper. News plus paper equal to, what is the new word? Newspaper. 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 Okay, this is the third one. Now the last one, children, shoe plus dash equal to dash. So what is the word we have to write here? Lace. Shoe plus lace equal to, the new word is shoelace. Okay, shoelace. Okay, shall we read the answers once? Book plus shelf equal to bookshelf. Bed plus cover equal to bed cover. News plus paper equal to newspaper. And the last one, shoe plus lace equal to shoelace. With this, we have completed bit E. Now next bit, children, spelling. In spelling, bit F, fill in AI or AY to complete these words. So here the blanks are given. In the blanks you can write AI or AY to complete the word. So write AI or AY and complete the word. Okay, see the first one. CH in the blank, AI is written. So CHAIR. What happens? It's chair. CHAIR, chair. So write the suitable letters here in the blank and form the word. Second one, PL dash dash. What we have to write? AI or AY, children? Write AY. AY. Now what happens? It's play. PLAY, play. Okay. Now third one, children, TR dash dash N. So what we have to write? TRAIN, train. TRAIN, train. Okay. Now next fourth one, children. Here train completed. Next fourth one, BR dash dash N. Here also write AI. BRAIN, brain. BRAIN, brain. Okay. Next fifth one, children, TR dash dash. So write AY. TRAY, tray. TRAY, tray. Okay. And the last one, PRAY, pray. TRAY, tray. PRAY, pray. Rhyming words, children. Tray, pray. Train, brain. Okay. Okay. Now with this we have completed. Once we'll read the words, children. First one, chair. Second, play. Third, train. Fourth, brain. Fifth, tray. And sixth, pray. Okay. Now next, grammar fun. In grammar fun, we will learn the action words. In UKG already you learned the action words. Once we'll revise the action words, children. Here, bit G. Some words tell us about actions. Such words are called doing words or action words. Look at the pictures. Fill in the blanks with action words from the box. So here some words will tell that what we are doing. So that's why those words are called as doing words or action words. Now here the pictures are given and options are given in the box. Choose the correct option and write in the blank. Okay, the pictures will tell us the action words, what they are doing. Now here first one, children, the boy is climbing. So here the action word is climb. Here in the second picture, what the boy is doing? The boy is eating. So write eat in the blank. Write eat in the blank. As he is eating, the action word is eat. E-A-T, eat. Now third one, children, here what the boys are doing? The boys are jumping. So write jump here. The action word is jump. J-U-M-P, jump. Next, look at the fourth picture, children. Here climb is the first one. Second is eat. Third jump. Now leftover words are swim, play, read. So here what is the fourth word, children? What the boy is doing? The boy is swimming. So write swim here in the fourth blank. S-W-I-M, swim. Okay. Now fifth one. Here the girl is playing with the ball. So fifth word is play. P-L-A-Y, play. And the last one is what the girl is doing? The girl is reading a book. So the word is read. What is the action? What action she is doing? She is reading. So write read in the blank. Now read the answers, children. First climb. Second eat. Third jump. Fourth swim. Fifth play. And sixth read. Now next bit H. Fill in the blanks with words from the box. So here in the box the options are given and here the fill in the blanks are given. Choose the correct word from the box and write here in the blank. The first one is done for us, children. First question is we dash with our ears. So what we'll do with our ears? We hear with our ears. We hear with our ears. Now second one, children. We dash with our hands. So here what we'll do with our hands? The words in the box are run, hear, see, clap, taste, smell. So with our hands what we will do? We will clap. So the second answer is clap. We clap with our hands. Okay. Now next third one, children. We dash with our nose. What we will do with our nose? We will smell with our nose. As you have learnt in the EVS, the sense organs. How many sense organs do we have? We have 5 sense organs. So that they are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. So nose help us to smell. Okay. So write smell in the third blank. Next fourth one, children. We dash with our legs. What we will do with our legs? We walk, run, skip with our legs. So here the option in the box is run. So fourth answer is run. Write run in the blank. We run with our legs. And fifth one, children. We dash with our tongue. So how tongue help us? Tongue help us to taste the food items. So the answer is taste. Number 5, taste. Write taste in the blank. T-A-S-T-E, taste. And the last one is we dash with our eyes. So how do our eyes are useful for us? They'll help us to see the things around us. So sixth blank is see. Okay. Now once we'll read the fill in the blanks, children. We hear with our ears. We clap with our hands. We smell with our nose. We run with our legs. We taste with our tongue. And we see with our eyes. Okay. Now with this, we'll close today's session. In today's session, we discussed the grammar fun, spellings, as well as we have learned play with words. Play with words, spelling and grammar fun. Okay. Now with this, we'll close today's session, children. And today your homework is write bit D, E, F, G, H in your textbook. Learn and write bit D to H in your textbook. Okay, children? Okay, that's it for today. See you in the next session. Bye, children.